Okay, so the first thing to do is obviously write the nth term. So Tn will be, let's just write it in this form. It is n plus 1 the whole square plus 2 upon we have 2 raised to n. Okay, so now let us divide the nth term into two parts. The first part is 2 upon 2 raised to n and the second part is n plus 1 square upon 2 raised to n. So the first part 2 upon 2 raised to n will become 1 upon 2 raised to n minus 1. So this is n goes from 1 to infinity. So the first term is 1 upon 2 raised to 0. So that is 1. So 1 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 and so on till infinity. And we know the answer for this, right? Because this is a GP and it's an infinite GP. So the solution for this is the first term. So that is 1 upon 1 minus r, 1 minus the common ratio. The common ratio in this case is 1 by 2. So this will become 2. So the answer for the first part is 2. Now coming to the second part, let us start writing Sn. So Sn is equal to, when n is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, so it is 2 square upon 2 raised to 1. Then next we have 2 plus 1, 3 square upon 2 raised to 2 plus 4 square upon 2 cube and so on till infinity. Okay, so for solving this, let us use the APGP principle. So dividing the sum by 2 and shifting it by one place. So this will become 2 square upon 2 square. This will become 3 square upon 2 cube and so on till infinity. So now we are subtracting both the terms. So we are left with Sn minus Sn by 2 is Sn by 2. Over here 2 square upon 2 is just 2. Then next we have in the numerator it is 4, that is 2 square, and in the denominator it is 4, sorry, and in the numerator we have 9 minus 4, so that is 5. Then next we have 8 in the denominator, and in the numerator we have 16 minus 9, so that is 7. The next term has to be 9 upon 16 and it will go on till infinity. So just look at this series now. You will notice that it is APGP or AGP as it's called because the numerators are in an arithmetic progression, so that is 5, 7, 9. The common difference is 2, and the denominators are in GP 4, 8, 16 and so on. So let this whole thing be equal to t. Now to calculate t, we do the same thing all over again. So that is 5 by 4 plus 7 upon 8 plus 9 by 16 till infinity. Then divide by 2 because that's the common ratio. We get 5 by 8 plus 7 by 16 and so on. Then subtracting the two quantities, we are left with t by 2 is equal to 5 by 4 plus we have, this will be 2 by 8 plus 2 by 16 and so on till infinity. So again it's a GP, it's an infinite GP, and we know the formula for that. So that is the first term, 2 by 8 is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 upon 1 minus the common ratio, that is 1 by 2. So this will become this will be 1 by 2. Now t by 2 is equal to 5 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So t by 2 should be, or rather t should be 5 by 2 plus 1. So that will be 7 by 2. Now t is equal to 7 by 2, and 7 by 2 plus 1 plus 2, sorry. So that is Sn by 2 is equal to 2 plus 7 by 2. So that is 11 by 2. So Sn is equal to 11. And that's our answer. So this is the second part, and the first part we know that is equal to 2. So 2 plus 11 is 13, and that's our final answer.